Here I've got MEIZU M8c, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So you have two methods to do it. Let's start with the first one. Smoothly slide down the upper bar, locate airplane icon, just click on it, and now it's active. You just deactivated all the networks, all connections, and you are currently in airplane mode. Here is the sign of the plane, and then to switch it off, smoothly slide down the upper bar, click on airplane icon, and now it's off, it's deactivated. Then you can also do it through the settings. So let's open the settings at first, go to the more under wireless and networks, and here just click on airplane mode. And that's it. Now it's active and you can use your device in flight mode, and to switch it off, just click on the same icon one more time. So that would be all. So you can smoothly and easily activate and use airplane mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.